Welcome back. In this video, we will work on average and average if. We know how to calculate the average. For example, if I wanted to calculate the average, then I can use the formula equals average, open the bracket, select the range of cells from which I wanted to find the average. So this is the range of cells. The average sales is 2427. So this way we are able to find out the average for the given sales data. But I wanted to find the average for a specific representative. Say for example, I wanted to find out average for Gil. In that case, let us type average sales for Gil. I'll format. Let us calculate what will be the average sales for Gil. I will use the function again, equals. This time, instead of using average, I will use average if. Average if, open the bracket. You need to select the range. So I have to select the range. Then I need to specify the criteria. Again, I need to specify the range on which I want to calculate the average. So I will select the range. From this range, what is my criteria? I have to find the average sales for Gil. I will use the comma, then double quote. I have to mention Gil and close the double quote, comma again. Then I have to select the range for the sales data. So this is the range of sales numbers. Then close the bracket. So average sales for Gil is 966. Similarly, I can find out what is the average sales for other representative. Let us take Andrews. If I wanted to find the average for Andrews, then instead of Gil, I need to just enter Andrews. Andrews. And my range is, I have to select the entire range. And this also, I need to select the entire range. So this will be my range. This is the formula. And enter. Average sales for Andrews is 1108.75. Like this, we are able to find out average sales for each and every representative. In case, if I wanted to find what will be the average sales based on the units which has been sold. Let me take 50 as an example. In case, if I wanted to find the average sales based on the unit which has been sold, in that case, what I have to do is my criteria will change. Average sales greater than units 50. I will use the same format. So this time I need to use the function again, average if. Open the bracket. Select the range. I have selected the range for the units. Then my criteria is greater than 50. In the double quotes, I need to specify greater symbol, then 50. Then close the double quote, comma, then I need to specify the range. This is the range on which I wanted to calculate if the units are sold more than 50. So in this criteria, what it has done exactly is, it has taken this particular range, and out of this range, it has selected the numbers which are greater than 50, the units which are greater than 50. It has taken those values only, and it has calculated the average which are more than 50 units. Only for those sales, it has calculated the average and it has given the result. If I wanted to calculate the average for the units again, say for example, if I wanted to specify the number which are greater than 11, I will use the same formula again, equals average if, open the bracket, select the units and comma, double quote, greater than 7, sorry, greater than 11. Then double quote. Then I need to select the range of the sales. So this is the sales numbers. Then close the bracket. So the average sales for the units which are greater than 11, it is 2820. Let us take one more example. If I wanted to calculate the average based on the criteria of number of sales which is greater than $1,000, I will copy this again, paste it. This time I am going to calculate number of sales which are greater than $1,000. $1,000. For that, I need to use the function again, average if, open the bracket, I need to select the range. I have selected the range and comma. This time I have to use which is greater than 1,000 and close the double quote and close the bracket. So this is the average for the sales which is more than $1,000. We got the result as 3732.91. If I wanted to check if the result is correct or not, then I can use the function again, average. This time I am using the function average. Then open the bracket. Since I have used the sales value which is greater than 1,000, I have to select the sales value which are greater than 1,000. Select the range. This will be the range and close the bracket. So we got the result as same. So this and this both are same. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share. Thank you and take care.